Give Charlie a hug.
Give Charlie a hug. Aww. Give Jennifer a hug.
Charlie,
Give Jennifer a hug.
your shorts are short.
Grayson, give Noah a hug.
Are they different sizes?
Grayson, come give me a hug. Say, yeah, give Noah a hug.
Huh?
I'm not Noah. That's Noah. Go get Noah a hug.
Huh?
Go get him, Grayson.
Go get Noah a hug.
Go.
Computer says that's gonna be hard.
Aww. Now get Layton hug. Get Layton hug.
Who's Layton?
Layton. Grayson, who's
Give her a
that?
hug.
Grayson, who's that? Jen. Grayson, give me a hug.
What is he calling?
Give me a hug. Oh, I love you. I love you, Grayson.
Hey, Grayson.
Get Noah a hug. Bye. That was just Grayson giving everybody hugs.
Nope.
Noah got 2 hugs. Bye.